Hello everyone, so let me show you a really cool toy of mine. It is not really a toy, it is something that I use regularly, and I think we all should, especially people who work on computers and they use a laptop, they all should get one. So this is nothing but a laptop stand, and this actually comes with this really nice velvet kind of a pouch, and it is right now in a folded state. So let me show you how it works. So if let us say you have to work from maybe office and you need to raise your laptop, so you can actually use this. It is actually very convenient and very compact in its folded state. So this is um, the stand. It is of course right now folded. It's very compact, but when you have to, let us say, set it up, you just do this and you can actually attach it here, something like this. Basically it has these I don't know what you call these holes where you can adjust the height of your your laptop, or how high you want your laptop to be. So it is actually very solid. I mean, it is all metallic. So I've seen something similar where, I mean, I'm sure if you ever try to buy a laptop stand, you can also get one that is made out of plastic, which is not really foldable. It might be foldable, but it is definitely not this sturdy and compact. And this one is actually like like really solid. You can actually use this stand for doing something else. Maybe, I mean, of course, don't use it as a weapon, but you can actually open your beer bottle with this. I'll probably show you how to do it. But no, I never really tried it with this. I usually have an opener with me, but this is something that I think we all should definitely get. It is not massively expensive. I think I paid around, I don't remember to be honest, £10, £15, maybe less. I have absolutely no idea. I have, of course, one more. So this is actually a smaller one, or rather, I should say, a bit more compact. The one that I use on my desktop is this one. This one is, of course, similar, but it is not that. Um, I mean, if you compare the width of um, these rods, whatever you call it, the one that I use for my ThinkPad X20 is a bit thick. So this is something that I thought I'll probably show you. Now, when I work from office, or I mean, it could be not my office, but my client's office, or if I'm, let us say, supposed to spend, I mean, if I have to just open the laptop and maybe uh, use the laptop for maybe few minutes or maybe half an hour, I just use the laptop as it is. But I have a problem with my neck, and I can't really use a laptop keyboard. Of course, ThinkPad X220 keyboard is amazing, but I can't really work on a laptop keyboard because I need more space for my hands. Otherwise, I get pain in my shoulders, upper back, or maybe my neck, and that is why I always use external keyboard whenever, even if I'm traveling with my laptop and I have to work from office from a proper desk. I always carry this with me. So I basically, of course, make my own setup. Usually, if I'm working from my client's office or any office, I am looking for, let us say, at least one screen. So you can attach your screen and you can actually raise the laptop. And depending upon the height of the desk, um, this laptop here, I mean, this will definitely be at a very good height, because ideally when you work it could be standing up or it could be sitting down. Your screen should be in front of you, like you ideally you should not be bending your neck either up or downwards. So this definitely helps a lot. And if you ever get a chance to maybe find a deal on this, I mean, to be honest, it's not really that expensive. But if you maybe are trying to get, I think you should probably get this metallic one. I don't know if it is aluminum or what. Maybe not aluminum, something else, but some mixed metal. So try to get something which is like all metal. It has some rubber, like at the base of this plate, so there is some rubber that really helps when your laptop is here. You don't really want to scratch your laptop, but a metal one definitely is a better one. You can also, uh, use the the holes here to change the height or the angle. For example, you may want to just use the laptop keyboard. Maybe if you are in a cafe, or maybe you are not really um planning to work for a long time, but you still need some angle. So you can obviously adjust the height of this. So you can also, use your laptop here and work on the laptop keyboard. I never really do that, but I have seen people in cafes using something like this, and I think it really helps, especially with the posture of your, I mean, the overall posture, to be honest. But for me, I have always been using it. If I mean, not always, because sometimes when you are in a company where they have a desktop with a monitor, sometimes they do have like along with the monitor they might have like a platform, whatever. I don't know what you call it, like basically a plate where you can keep your laptop, right? So that is of course ideal, because that will be connected to the uh, monitor arm or the base. There is usually some kind of a arrangement. That is of course ideal, but if not, I always use this, and I thought I'll probably show you. All right, well, let us fold it, because we are done with the work. So, and by the way, this folding part is actually my favorite, because it really becomes this small. It's very small. Just compare it with my hand, and putting this back in this pouch is actually very nice, because this actually reminds me of all the times when I have done my work, great work for my clients, and I pack it in this pouch, keep it in my bag, and then I go home. All right, yeah. So that is all. That is all I wanted to show you today in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.